Hi friends, let me show you this new stainless steel pet feeder bowl. It is for your dogs. Look how pretty the shape is. You can put food and water, as you can see. It's really nice. It's stainless steel. It looks pretty, and it comes with these plastic groups that will help you so the feeder won't slip in the floor. Okay, let's install them before trying it with my pets. Okay, perfect. So let's install it before using it with my pets. You just have to put it like this. It's so easy. You see how it fits perfectly? Perfect. So now it has this plastic bottom, so it will prevent it from slipping in any kind of floor. Okay, so let's go try it. So we have Milo here, and he's going to test the feeder. Let's go. So it's a nice size for small to medium sized dogs, maybe even big dogs, because it can hold a lot of food. Okay, it's like 2.5 inches high, so it can hold a lot of food, a lot of water also, and the look is nice. It's stainless steel, as you can see. It has a plastic bottom, so it won't sleep in hard floors. And well, as you can see, your pet will be very happy with it. Thank you. And it is so easy to clean it when they're finished. Okay, Milo wants more because it's stainless steel. So easy. You just wash it with regular soap and a brush, and that's it. You could even put it in the dishwasher. Okay, so this is a great pet feeder, very durable, stainless steel, and the dogs are happy. Milo, thank you.